Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Bumble account using your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to download your Bumble application from Play Store. And once you have done that, simply open your Bumble application. As you can see, there are two options on the bottom of the screen, that is either to log in from your Facebook or use your mobile number. Here for this video, I'm going to continue with my Facebook. Make sure you are logged in to your Facebook account while doing this login process. Tap on Continue with Facebook. Here Bumble is requesting access to your name, profile picture, email address, date of birth, photo, gender and current town or city. If you are okay with it, tap on Continue. Here you need to provide your first name. Here you need to add your photos. Click on plus icon. Here you can either upload it from Facebook, Instagram or your gallery. I am going to upload it from gallery. Tap on Save. If you want, you can add more photos, but here I am only adding 4 photos. Here you need to keep your date of birth. For confirmation, tap on Confirm. Here you need to simply select your gender. It is totally up to you if you want to reveal your gender or not. Here I am going to hide it. Here you need to choose a mode to get started. That can either be dating mode or BFF mode. Here I am using BFF mode. Tap on Got It. If you want, you can pick any 3 of your experiences or simply skip it. The same thing goes here. If you want, you can reveal your relationship status or you can simply skip this. If you want to connect your Instagram, then tap on Connect Instagram, otherwise tap on Not Now. Tap on Got It. Tap on I agree. That is how you can simply log into your Bumble account using your Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any update.